We all celebrate Ram Navami every year with a lot of devotion, enthusiasm, and energy. But recently I realized there was something missing. We feel emotional, we celebrate, we chant Jai Shri Ram, Hare Krishna. But what's the point when we still get confused between choosing what's wrong or what's right? We should try to understand the personality himself, the Ramji himself. Another thing I realized, we expect life to feel easy, comfortable, and smooth. But that's not how it works. If we look at the life of Ramji, he didn't choose the easy path. He chose the right path, even when it was difficult. Maybe that's where we struggle. We expect peace, but without making the difficult choices. But life doesn't always gives comfort first. Sometimes it gives clarity first. One more thing that stayed with me. We look for Ramji in temples, in vigrahas, or in celebrations, but we don't actually recognize him in the qualities. In truthfulness, in responsibility, or in keeping your word. If someone lives like this today, we might not even recognize them or understand them. So, this Ram Navami, I am trying something different. Not something big, but small step. First, being honest in any situation you usually avoid it. Second, choosing the right decision or making the right decision. Third, respecting and being kind with everyone, despite the gender or their occupation or their educational background. Just be kind. Celebrating Ram Navami is not just about understanding or knowing Ramji's story, but it is also about recognizing his qualities and also applying them in our lives. So, this Ram Navami, not let's not just try to celebrate it, but apply those qualities in our lives.